guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're actually preparing and packing to go on summer vacation. This summer vacation is not to a tropical island. It's not to any other state, an exception to my home state, which is New Jersey. I'm calling it my summer vacation because me and my boyfriend are going home for 11 days and I'm so excited. Going to Jersey for a long extended amount of time is now our summer vacation, which I'm so excited about because I get to see all my family, my friends, and my boyfriend's family, which just makes me so happy. If you don't know, we moved to Florida in October, and honestly, other than Christmas, we haven't been home for more than like 4 days, so I'm excited to just have like a long, relaxing couple days in Jersey that are going to be amazing, and I want to make the most of it because I know I'm going to miss it the second I get back. So I wanted to do a little packing and preparing video. First things first, I need to get my nails done. These were my birthday nails. They still look really, really good, but they're very grown out, and I want to get 4th of July nails because we're almost at 4th of July. So let's go get my nails done because that is the first thing to packing and preparing to go on summer vacation, which is to my hometown this year, and I couldn't be more excited.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel with...
It is much later now. I just got back from getting my nails done. My nails honestly took so long. They took like 2.5 hours, which is fine, but I was expecting them to take like an hour, so I didn't eat beforehand and I'm so hungry. And then trying to get home took like 20 more minutes than it was supposed to because there was so much traffic. But I think my nails look so stinking cute for the 4th of July and for Jersey. I think they're adorable. And in a little bit, I actually have to go back out and go to Target and get like toiletries and stuff like that. But I needed to come home first to eat something because I'm really hungry. But in a little bit, we're going to go get toiletries before we pack. It's a lot later now, and I actually ended up not going to Target. I'm going to go tomorrow because me and my boyfriend have a night flight, so we're not leaving here until like 3. Driving to the Orlando airport, which is like an hour to an hour and a half away depending on traffic, and because we have to be there 2 hours before, we'll probably get there around like 4:35 and then have 2 hours in the airport and take off at 7. But because I'm off from my accounting job when I go back to Jersey, I needed to get a lot of things done, so I was just working overtime today. I think I worked like 14 hours for my accounting job, which is completely fine. I just needed to get a lot of stuff done. So I figured I would go to Target tomorrow after I go to the gym because I love going to the gym before going on a trip of any sort. Even if it is just going home, it just makes me feel good. But I'm going to start packing now. But the funny thing is, a lot of my clothes I just got from White Fox are actually back in Jersey because I had them sent to my house because I didn't know if they were going to get here in time. And I'm actually working with White Fox on this video, so we're going to go to future me in Jersey really quick. It's future Sam from Jersey, and I'm here to show you all of the clothes I also packed, even though they were sent to my house here from White Fox for my trip in New Jersey for 2 weeks. I am so excited to be partnering with White Fox on this video. I am obsessed with everything White Fox. I wear their clothes 24/7, and the thing that I love the most about White Fox is the quality and durability of the clothes. I've been shopping with them for years on years, and I've never had an issue with any wearing and tearing or any tarnishing of the clothes, which is amazing. The quality is so good. I am never cold or never hot in any of their clothes depending on the weather. And on top of that, they just have so many cute, elegant, comfy pieces. They have sweatpants, they have sweatshirts, they have tank tops, they have bathing suits, you name it, they have it. They even have activewear, which is so comfortable and sweat-proof. I've tried it out multiple times. And on top of all of that, White Fox is actually having a 30% off sale. And let me just tell you, there's some really good pieces on their website. The sale itself starts from June 22nd at 7 p.m. PDT and goes through June 30th till 6:59 a.m. PDT. I am so excited about this sale because there's so many cute pieces, and on top of them being cute, elegant, and stylish, they're also 30% off, which I think is amazing. On top of all that, I just love the style of White Fox. I feel like there's so many cute pieces and it never does me wrong. So with all that being said, I will have everything you need to know about this sale and everything I'm wearing in this video linked down below. Definitely be sure to go check it out because I promise there's something there that you will love. With all that being said, let's get into the pieces that White Fox sent me because I'm screaming. Starting off with this sweatshirt I'm wearing right now. This is the cutest sweatshirt I've ever seen. I love the color green, especially like a darker green. I personally love it because I feel like it makes my eyes pop, and when I saw this, I really was drawn to it because of the lettering on it. Something I really like about this sweatshirt is that the letters are like bubbled out, which I think is so stinking cute. It's also very good quality and has that like fleece lined material, which I'm obsessed with. And can we just talk about the back of the sweatshirt? I'm obsessed. For me personally, I really like oversized sweatshirts, so I do size up in these and I think it's perfect. And to go on with all of that, I also got the matching shorts. Look at how stinking cute these are. These are adorable. I love how it's like matching to the tee. Obviously the colors match, but also the lettering. So stinking cute. And I just think that these are adorable for summer. They're pretty stretchy, which is nice, and I like how they're like a mini short. I actually never tried out the mini shorts from White Fox. I always got like the longer sweat shorts, and I really like these, especially for like a hotter summer day, because even though they are fleece lined, they're shorter. So I feel like I can still wear them on a hotter day. Going along with that, sticking with the green, I also had to get their activewear collection. I'm obsessed with White Fox activewear. I have their sports bras and leggings, but I've never tried out their biker shorts before. First of all, these are so stinking cute. They're adorable and they're very, very stretchy. Something I really like about these biker shorts is that they are sweat proof. I tried them out, and when I tell you I was sweating and nothing came through on the pants, that's something I really, really appreciate about a good activewear set. And also I just think these are so stinking cute. And of course I got the matching little shirt to go along with it. I have so many of White Fox's t-shirts. I love a good oversized t-shirt, and something I really like about their t-shirts is that they're very, very durable, and when I put them in the wash, they stay the exact same quality that I put them in as, which is something I think is amazing. It's also like a thicker material, which is really nice because I do wear them when I'm working out and no sweat is seen, which I really like. And I just love the style of the shirt as well. Next, moving along, I got two of the same bodysuits. So I got this white one. I wanted something that was a little bit more snatching, and I've been seeing the style of wearing a bodysuit with jean shorts, but having the jean shorts open, and I feel like it's really cute. So I tried that out in this video. So I got this one, and then I also got this black one, which I'm also obsessed with. I feel like these are two like really good staples to have in my closet, and I also love the quality of them. Moving along, I also got, like I said, a pair of their jean shorts. I love these jean shorts. I think they're so stinking cute. Something about White Fox's denim is so good. When I tell you I have so much White Fox denim and it never does me wrong. I think that the quality of the denim is really, really nice. I personally do size up in their denim just because I feel like it fits me a little bit better, but look at how stinking cute these are. Something I really love is the back. Look at how adorable that is. White Fox with a little heart. I think that's so cute. And I also just really like the wash and the shade of these jeans. So stinking cute for summer, and also in my opinion the perfect length. Going along with that, I have some tank tops. So I got this really pretty White Fox spaghetti strapped tank top. I think it's so cute. If you know me, I love all things pink, and I love how this one has like that bubble 3D letter with little pink bows on it. I think it's adorable, and I will definitely be wearing this all summer long. Going along with that, I also got a similar tank, but it is pink and it has a little cheetah print on it. I feel like this summer layering is really in, and this effect was giving me like that layering feeling where you have like a solid color and then a pattern underneath or on top. I feel like this is so stinking cute. Fit perfectly to size, and they're so stinking cute. Next, moving right along, I got a pair of sweatpants, and usually I get White Fox's joggers. I've never tried their wide leg sweatpants, and when I tell you I'm obsessed with these sweatpants, the fit is really nice, and honestly they're very, very stretchy, which I also love. Something about these sweatpants that I'm obsessed with is they match the little tank I showed before, and they have the little White Fox with the bows, and I just think that these are so stinking cute and I love them. Moving right along, I went for a little mint green moment, so I got these really pretty mini mint green shorts. I honestly don't have mint green things, but when I saw this on the website, I was just like, oh my gosh, that is screaming summer, and I feel like once I have a tan, it'll look so, so nice. Look at how stinking cute this color is. I love the shorts. They also come with pockets, which is nice. And then I also got this sweatshirt. I got this in a large, extra large. It is really oversized on me, but I think it's so stinking cute, and I think together with the shorts, it looks amazing, and it's also fleece lined, so it keeps me very, very warm. Next, moving on, I got this really cute butter yellow flower little t-shirt. I think this is adorable. I think with this, you can style it in so many different ways. You can wear it with jean shorts, a jean skirt, jeans, or you can style it down and wear it with like sweat shorts if you wanted to, or sweatpants. I think it's so stinking cute, and I love the little details. It's screaming summer to me. Next, I got another sweat set. So starting off, I got this really pretty blue hoodie. I think it's adorable. I personally love the back. I love the lettering on it. I think it's adorable. And I got it because it had the matching sweatpants, which I think is so stinking cute. And like I said, I have a lot of the White Fox joggers, but I didn't have any of the open-legged sweatpants, and I personally love the open-leg sweatpants. So I decided to get these. I think they're so cute, and I cannot wait to wear them. I'll honestly probably wear this tonight to bed. And then the last thing I got, and this is one of my favorite pieces from the whole entire haul, is a really pretty flowy dress. I didn't know if this was going to look good on me, but I tried it on and I was obsessed. Look at how stinking cute this is. It's like a little flowy dress, but the reason I love it is because of the little detail on it. The back is open, which is adorable, and then the bottom of it like flows out. And I tell you, this is the prettiest dress I've ever seen. I'm obsessed with it. And also, I feel like it just looks so elegant and flowy on, and it fits very well, so I'm very excited about that. That is everything that White Fox sent me. I am in love with all of these pieces, and I highly recommend shopping White Fox because I promise you will find something that you do like. Just a reminder that White Fox's sale goes from June 22nd to June 30th, and you can get 30% off, and I will have everything you need to know linked down below in the description box. Thank you to White Fox for sponsoring this part of the video, and let's go back to Florida. So those are all the clothes that I'm going to be wearing in Jersey, like dressy wise and like gym clothes wise and lounge wise. Like I said, I love White Fox so much, and I will have everything linked down below that you need to know. But now I'm going to go through the rest of my stuff and pack all of that. And also, me and my boyfriend are splitting a suitcase, so we have a big one that we're going to be checking in. It's my beige one, and I'm going to have one side, he's going to have another side. The good thing is we stay by his house when we're home, and he has a lot of his clothes there, and I also have some of my like pajamas there and stuff like that, so I don't have to bring too much. But knowing me, I'll overpack anyway, and the suitcase will definitely be over 50 pounds. But it's very late. We also just deep cleaned our whole apartment. I should have vlogged that, but I was kind of stressed out, so I didn't. I apologize about that. But we are going to start packing because I have a lot I need to get done, and I feel like no time to do it. So let's get this done. I also just watched episode 14 of Love Island, and I'm shocked. So let me know if you watched it, because I didn't expect those people to go home. I don't want to spoil it, but I'm filming this on Thursday, June 18th. So when this is up, it's probably going to be a little bit backwards, but still let me know your thoughts. Clothes in this side. Now I'm going to pack mine in this side. I honestly don't know how I got that all to fit, but somehow we did it. It's a little overstuffed, but it's okay.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different...
This is it for now. I have to add one pair of jean shorts and a jean jacket, but they're both wet still from the wash, so I have to re-dry them and then put them in. But this is the suitcase situation for now. I'm probably going to pack my like carry-on bag tomorrow. It's now the next day. It's almost 12 o'clock, and I need to run to Publix to get some toiletries. Usually I'd go to Target, but the Target's a little bit farther, and the Publix is like right here, and I think they have toiletries there, and I only need a few. Me and my boyfriend last minute actually decided to extend our trip in Jersey. So instead of staying 11 days, we're going to be staying 15 days. So we will be there for the 4th of July, which I'm really excited for, which means that my nails are perfect because I didn't have any plans for the 4th of July, but I think I'm going to have a little barbecue with my friends, which I'm really excited for. We're actually flying home on the 4th of July, but it's a night flight, so we'll have like the morning and a little bit of the afternoon. But we have to leave for the airport at 3 o'clock, and it's already 12, so I'm going to run to Publix really quick and get all the toiletries I need. I also need to get a new electric toothbrush because mine is just, I don't know what's going on with it, but I think there's mold growing underneath it. Don't quote me on that, but it scared me. So now I just want a new one just to be safe. And to be clear, it's not like the part where I brush my teeth with, it's the part where like you charge it. But I'm scared that like water got underneath and I don't know how to get it out, so I'm just going to get a new one. If I can't find it here, I'll probably get it in Jersey. And I need to get just like some shampoo, some mouthwash, some floss. A lot of the stuff I can get in Jersey, but I just want to have the stuff for tonight night because we won't be getting in until like 10, 11 o'clock. And when we get home, everything's probably going to be closed, especially if our flight gets delayed, which if you know, when you're flying into Newark, it usually gets delayed, and that's the airport we fly into. So that's the little plan. I'm gonna run to Publix really quick, and then we have to come home. I want to whiten my teeth. I wanted to self-tan, but I don't think I'm going to have time, so I'll just do that when I get home. And then also I need to finish packing my carry-on and fill out a form for our puppy. I think I'm actually going to end up going to Target anyways, but I did get some stuff from Publix. I got Neutrogena makeup wipes. I got the Oral-B IQ soft brush electric toothbrush things, and then I also got a brand new electric toothbrush, and this one is very clean, obviously. Then I got some Crest 3D Advanced Radiant Mint toothpaste. I also got whitening strips. I have my Healthy Gums oral rinse, which I use every day, hairspray, Oral-B floss, deodorant, retainer cleaner, toothpaste for at night. I think I'm gonna go to Target now, and then when I get back, I'm going to quickly pack my carry-on bag.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
I'm actually in New Jersey right now. I ended up not filming anything else because things got so hectic after I packed my carry-on. I did go to Target and get my toiletries, like my shampoo and stuff I needed for the night, and then I went straight to the airport. The airport was honestly very smooth. It was a little delayed, but nothing too bad. And then we flew into Jersey, and now I'm here. I ended up not going to the gym and not whitening my teeth, but those are things I can do here, so it's really okay. I had so much fun filming this video, and I am so happy to be back in New Jersey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again to White Fox for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited for all my new clothes. Make sure to check out their site for 30% off. I promise you will find something you love. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.